Hey there, this is Michelle Pesco-Solito. In today's quick training, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook fan page or create a fan page. And what I'm going to do is walk you through that process. Okay, so if you go up to facebook.com/pages/create, you can see that right here. This is where you're going to create a fan page. Now, for me, I do a lot of advanced trainings, but I got this question asked on my fan page: how do I create a fan page? So I'm going to walk you through those steps right now. So the first thing you want to do when you go to this URL, you're going to see options here. So you've got to decide, what is your brand? Are you a local business or a place? If you are, you're going to want to select this option here. Are you a company, an organization, or an institution? If you are, you want to select this. Are you a brand? Do you own a brand, or do you own a product that you're trying to build a huge presence around, a big following around? You would want to choose here. Are you an artist or a band or a public figure? This is the option you would want to choose. Maybe you're in the entertainment industry and your fan page is going to be based around entertainment. That would be this option here. And the last option would be a cause or a community. Maybe you've created some kind of cause that you want to get a big buzz around and get a lot of fans around, or a community. This is your option here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose public figure. And what's going to happen in any of these boxes, you're going to see this open up here. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose a category. So you come through this section here and you have to look, all right, what am I representing here? Am I a dancer? Am I a coach? Am I a business person? Am I an author? Am I a politician? Am I a news personality? So choose what fits your business. So let's run with a business person here. Now you're going to name your page. Now remember, you want to name it to where people can easily find you. So if you're out making waves out in your industry or in your community and you want to make it easy for people to find you, so name your fan page whatever your name is, or your brand, or your cause or community. Don't get all creative and try to add some extra stuff in. You want to name it your name, because you want to make it easy for people if they go on Facebook and they're searching to see if you happen to have a fan page. What are they going to search? What's the most logical thing that they are going to search that pertains to you, your brand, your company, your name, if you're a business person or an author, okay? So let's just name this. I'm going to do Michelle. Let's just name this testing, okay? I would put my full name, Michelle Pesco-Solito. You need to agree to the Facebook terms, so you might want to read those, but click the box once you do and click agree. And then you click getting started. Now they may not take testing here, but we'll see. All right, they did. Now the next thing that you're going to do is you want to fill in a description, and I would add a website here to improve the ranking of your page when people search for this. So if somebody's searching in Google and they type in some keywords, then you want your page to show up. Also the graph search up here. People are searching up in graph search now. It's basically another search engine that Facebook has developed. So here's where you want to add in some keywords. So what are the keywords around your business? Are you in the health and wellness industry? Are you a coffee shop? Are you a local brick and mortar business that's selling stationery maybe? Are you an affiliate marketer? Are you a network marketer? Are you a business coach? Are you an author? Are you a speaker? What are you speaking about? What are you an author about? What is your brand? That's some of the words and the keywords you want to put in here. So I would add something like speaker/trainer teaching home-based business owners how to successfully build their brands online using Facebook or using social media. And then I might want to add a URL to my blog. Oops, I'm sorry, not there. Right below in this box here, I thought I'd hit the return button. So I'm going to add in my website. This is outside of Facebook, giving people an opportunity to find out more about myself or my business. You can even add another website here by clicking here. Maybe I want to add my Twitter account. You know, maybe you use more than one social media platform. All right, you can add another one. You can add your YouTube channel. You can add your company website, whatever you want, you can add those in here. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to choose a unique Facebook web address. So you're making it easier for people to find your page. Once this is set, it can't be changed. So think about what you want here. I always say go with your name. Now if your name is already taken by your personal profile, consider adding in a period. Or you could add period fan page, or you could put in Michelle, your business name, Pescosolido fan page. Add fan page after it, okay? If your name is taken here, but put in something easy to remember, easy to give out to people that ask for your fan page URL. The next thing you want to do is Michelle testing a real celebrity. Just go through the questions. It may be a little different for you if you chose a different option or a different category. So am I a real person or a real celebrity or a famous person? I'm going to click no. All right, so let's just go Michelle testing fan page. Save info. All right, here is your profile picture. You can upload a picture from your computer right now, or you can import one from your website. You have two options here. What I would suggest here is to put a picture of your brand or a picture of you here if you're representing yourself as the brand online. You want it to be attractive, you want it to be professional, and you want to give a clear message in that image of who, when you get a potential fan that comes to your page, that they know who you are, what you represent. So this is where you would upload that photo. So if I come in here and come to my desktop here, I'll find an image of myself. Here we go. And it's going to upload in a few moments here in this section. So once that's done, there we go, very professional. I'm representing the Michelle Pescosolido fan page. Here I am. And then we're going to click next. Now in this section here, you can set up, add your page to your favorites to easily access at any time. All this simply is if I come back over here to Facebook, it adds over here. See, here's my fan page over here to the left. So it's just adding that to the left-hand side. So you could add that. I could go add to favorites. There it is, Michelle testing. I'm not going to put that there. Well, I'll go ahead and put it there for now because I'm going to end up deleting this page because this is just a test. Then you hit next. And in this next section here, it's asking you, do you want to go ahead and create an ad? So if you've set up your advertising account, you could go ahead and set up an ad to start reaching more fans. So you'd go through this section here and you can set a daily budget of how many people you are looking to estimate to get a day. So right now, according to this, I could spend about $10 a day and get about 12 to 48 likes. And I could click right here or type in United Kingdom. Maybe I want my fans to come from the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. All right. Now, maybe you're a local brick and mortar business and you only want to focus in on the cities. So maybe you have a brick and mortar business in Frisco, Texas, and you only really want fans in the Frisco area. So you would choose this drop-down box and you could type in those cities that are around your area. You could also go into states. Maybe you're a business that only does business in one particular state. You can add those states in right here. But again, you have to decide that for yourself and your business. So where can you do business? I recommend that you putting those countries in there. Now this isn't the best ad you can run to get likes, but it is one of the options that you might want to test out and go ahead and set up when creating your fan page. Now I already have my account information in here, but you will have to set this up if you do not have your account information. Then we're going to go, I'm going to click skip. If you don't do an ad, click skip. If you do create an ad, you're going to click promote the page. So I'm going to click skip. And voila, you have now created your fan page. It was as simple as that. So the next option that you're going to want to do is you want to just go through and get everything else set up on your fan page, like add a cover photo. So all you would simply do is click this add cover, and this right here is just to choose a unique cover photo to express what your page is about. Again, I recommend that you put a really good cover photo up. Let's go to my fan page right now that I have created. And you can see my cover photo here. It's consistent with all the other social media platforms I have out there. So my brand is recognized, and that's what you want. You want your brand to be recognized. If you use YouTube, if you use Twitter, if you use Pinterest, if you use Instagram, those images on those different social media platforms, I want to recommend that you keep consistent across the board so your brand is easily recognizable. So we use a lot of blues and iris. I kind of use the same outfit with my face here, and that's what I would recommend. So in your cover photo, you can add your name, you can add a website up here. You definitely can do those things up here. You used to not be able to do that in the past. Facebook had, restrictions against that, but you can do that now. So feel free to put a lot of that information up here. But again, what you're aiming for is when somebody lands on your page, what they see here is they clearly understand without having to go through your news feed. They clearly see what they're going to get on your page because you've got this cover photo up here. You've got a branded image here, and you've got your About Me section filled out right here. So let's go back here and look, and let me show you where you can navigate through all that. So once you get that cover photo put up, you've done that, you've got your image, here's that section we filled out when we set up our fan page, and everything is done. It is all set up and you are ready to go. You have created your very first fan page. It was as simple as that. If you want to come edit your page, you can come in here and click this Edit Page, click Edit Settings, and you can go through each one. I would start over here on Page Info, and you could just go through each one of these individually. You click this Edit button, and you can add in the information that you want to add in on your fan page. Once you do Page Info, you can go to Settings, the same thing. And I teach this in some other trainings, but for now, this video, I just wanted to show you how to create a fan page. But again, you can go through all these and edit each one of these sections, and I highly, highly recommend that you do that. But that's it. That's how you set up a fan page. I hope you got value in this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.